Hey guys, Schneid's15 here. Today we're going to be doing a Skidoo ski leg repair or ski bushing repair, whatever you want to refer to, or spindle repair. So I'm in the middle of working on my new sled here. As you can see, everything's apart. Got to get a track in it and stuff. I just replaced these A-arm bushings. I wanted to make a video on it, but I couldn't because my camera was being all messy. Good old GoPro in the cold. Anyways, put oil light bushings in there, and that's all tightened up before these control arms that go back and forth because they have crappy plastic bushings. So now we're going to be doing our ski leg repair. This side isn't bad, but the other side is. So anyways, you'll find there's a lot of play in here. So I ordered a kit here from Real Distributing. That's the part number there, and that's the SPI part number. But first off, we're going to take off our ski here. So you're going to need a 17 millimeter wrench for the inside and a 16 millimeter for the bolt here. So we'll pull off the bolt and we'll get to showing you how to do the repair. Alright, so with our ski off, we're going to come up to our spindle here. It has a bushing right in the middle here that you can pull out. As you can see, this one is rusty. It's got a lot of play in there. This one isn't as bad as my other side, but you can pull that out of there. That's junk. You can see how wore these are right in here. That's where a lot of your play is going to come in sloppy steering. Then you got these two bushings, which are these right here, two for each side. You get a new pin with the kit, two new bolts, washers. I had to steal one washer, anyways, nut, and bushings for your skis for in here. So take a flathead screwdriver here and a hammer or a chisel and shove it through here and hit it with a hammer, and this bushing will pop out of each side, and then we can get to putting new bushings in. Alright guys, so with our bushings knocked out there's the old ones, here's the new ones, a lot tighter. Just simply take your hammer, just line it up here and give it a whack and get it in place. I just cleaned it out in here first with just my finger to get the rust out back and forth, and just a little brush, and then I just put some grease in there and grease around the edges here just to avoid your aluminum to steel touching here. It just helps insulate them a bit and make it easier for the next time if I ever have to change them again. But yeah, hammer these two bushings in and then we'll get to the next step. Alright, with those in, they fit nice and tight. I just put a bit of grease on our bushing here. Can go ahead and slide that in there. As you can see, that's a really nice tight fit there. It slid really nice, just what we want. So once that's in, our next step would be to check our bolts if they're worn. Mine actually aren't, but I'm going to use the new ones anyways. These ski bushings here I'm going to save because they are just as tight as the ones in here. They aren't worn at all. These are nice and tight in here. It was just the bushing in here. So we aren't going to replace these, but if you do, it's just the same procedure. You just have these metal caps here and you just simply put your ski up on the side and go in there and give it a hammer out, or just, if it's easier, just go back here and just give that a little bit of a pry there and a hammer, and it'll just pop right out. Put your new bushings in and you're good to go. So we're just gonna bring the ski up and put our new bolt in. Alright guys, so we got our bolt back on here. It's a 16 and 17 millimeter again. This is nice and tight. There's no play in there. We're gonna repeat this on the other side, but we're not gonna show you it because why show you twice? It's the exact same procedure. So yeah, anyways, I hope this helps you get your ski nice and tight. A lot of guys overlook these bushings, wonder why their sleds handle like crap. And just think, these bushings, when you are going across a lake or a trail at 100 mile an hour, this is all that's holding the front of your sled. If that would break or wear through or something, that bolt, you're screwed. And that goes off, you're screwed. So I hope this video helps you, and this will really improve your handling, guys, and it will make it safe. Don't just think about you driving down the trail. Think about the guy coming at you with kids on or whatever. It's going to keep you straight and it's going to help you out. Safety is a big thing for sleds, so I really hope this helps, guys. And for 50 bucks or 60 bucks, I think this repair kit cost me, you're nice and tight. It's going to make your sled drive nice, and it's going to be safe, like I said earlier. So for more Skidoo Rev how-to videos, click on my Skidoo Rev playlist. I have ones on Skidoo 1200s, ATVs, all that stuff, guys. Just check out my playlist, and it'll bring you through all the how-tos I got. Thanks for watching. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.